when I got done work and I started posting this type of video. Before that, my channel was just a fluffy channel about, my birds and, adding music to it and, my daily chores. And, they were a little bit too long, so I had to post them on YouTube and then put the link on Facebook. And then I got into this topic. So those poor people that thought, when I started posting other videos, thought it was going to be light and fluffy. They saw a little bit more of who I am, because I don't really like to tell. It's not part of my conversation out in public to tell how I live. It is now, apparently. So, one person, enjoyed watching my light and fluffy videos with music added. They really liked that. And then I started making prepper videos. Well, imagine the shock. Imagine the shock. I can just imagine them. Oh, let me click on this. It's probably about a duck or some baby ducks. Imagine what they got when the first thing they heard was it should hit the fan. And I can imagine them watching, and I can just see their jaw dropping. Because one person in particular that I'm thinking of, we never talked about anything like this. So she got a hold of me and she asked me if I was going woods queer. If I had finally lost my mind, if I'd been in the woods too long, that I needed to go back to work somewhere to get out of the woods so I wouldn't go woods crazy. She goes, you talked about going out there and talking to trees, going crazy. Well, yep, you might be talking to trees, but you're out there in the middle of the woods and you're talking to yourself in a camera. Go back to work. Go back to work. It's only been 2 months. You're going woods crazy already. No, this is stuff that I've done a lot of. I'm not going to tell people what I have and what I don't have. People know how I live. They know I'm responsible. They know I think ahead. They know I plan. They know I ration things out. No, I haven't gone woods crazy, folks. I might be out in the middle of the woods like I am right now, talking to a camera on a tripod. That might look a little bit funny.